Chapter 9. Run, Zuzu, run. You did too. I did not. Screech. Oh, hi, Zuzu. Bark, 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 bark. What's that you say? Dogman's in trouble? Ruff, ruff, bark, bark, bark. Sarah and Chief too. Bark, barker. Ow. Unspeakable, evil, mindless chaos. Unlimited superpowers with no moral compass. This looks like a job for the super buddies. Come on, Zuzu, slide. ADHD, don't fail me now. Zoom. Hey, unspeakable evil, eh? Unlimited superpowers, no moral compass. Meanwhile, well, here we are at last, Grandpa. My cupcake command center. Let's check the cupcake computer. Click, clack, clickety, clap, beep, boop. Hey, that's not a real keyboard. It's just a piece of box with stuff drawn on it. And you spelled computer wrong. Look, we need to get out of here. To that cupcake mobile. Behold, the latest cupcake technology. I just need to go on the last paper plate. I mean tire. Uh-oh. Look, we haven't got time for this. I gotta save my son. Yeah, but you haven't seen the cupcake cabana yet. Or the cupcake croquette court. Or I just want to see the cupcake exit. So why didn't you say so? Slap. Hey, I think your back got stuck on my hand somehow. Oh well, come on, Grandpa. Automatic cupcake powers activate. Chapter 10, My Fair Lady. Hello again, folks. I'm Sarah Howe, reporting from a floating net. We've all been captured by 22 super angry psychokinetic tadpoles. And they're holding us in the sky with their brain powers. How will we ever get out of this mess? Snip, snip, snip. Bump, bink, bump. Gee, that was a lot easier than I thought it would be. And look, Flippy the bionic butterfly fish. He has joined our fight for good. But there's only 4 of us and 25 of us. How will we ever get out of this mess? Never fear, Sarah. It's Super Buddy time. Meanwhile, hey, Grandpa, all our prayers have been answered. Wait, no way! Look! We must eat that gigantic cupcake. It's not real, you know. Only then we can save the world. It's just a sign. Almost there. Meanwhile, huff, puff, huff. At last I found you. Who the heck are you? Allow me to introduce myself. I'm your new partner in crime. Partner? What do I need a partner for? Can't you see I'm just about to defeat the Super Buddies? Indeed, she was right. The Super Buddies and their friends have given their all and have put up a valiant fight. Goodbye. But they were outnumbered. Crash! Outmatched, punt, and out of time. Yoink. Only One by one, our heroes were captured, and the powers of evil grew stronger and stronger. Bark, bark, bark! Ruff, ruff, ruff! Look at me, I'm flying, baby! I'm the queen of the world! But, Mommy, we still haven't captured Cat Kid. He must be hiding somewhere, dude. Don't worry about him. What could one tiny kitten possibly do? Chapter 11, The Cat Kid Conundrum. Meanwhile, in the quiet of night, in the stillness of twilight, a silent sentinel sneaks in the shadows, swiftly unsuspecting. He shings his claws, shing, ready to slice at his perfect moment. And in this perfect moment, when a swipe from his sharpened sabers promises sweet salvation, he stops. Hey, I didn't see you back there. You could have clobbered me. I know. You could have sliced us all into sushi. I know. You could have saved all your friends. I know. But you didn't. Why? I can't hurt you guys. You're just little kids. What's your name? Molly. Oh, I'm little Petey. Hey, guess what? I have a comic club. You do? Yeah, you can join if you want to. But I never made a comic before. That's okay. I'll show you how. It's fun. You'll teach me? Of course. That's what friends do. They help each other. As the two friends talked and laughed, something started to change in Molly. Ha 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 ha. And soon her super anger began melting away. What's going on here? Mommy, this is little Petey. He is my friend. No, he's not. He's your enemy. But, Mommy, I think you're not supposed to think. You're supposed to obey. But, Mommy, here, take this kitten. Creak. Snap. Mommy, wait. All right, children, it's time to destroy the Super Buddies and their friends. That's right, kitties. Stop them with your super angry powers. Mommy, no. See, nobody else has a problem with following orders. Now get down there with all of the others and do as you're told. Chapter 12. Good golly, Miss Molly. It is easy to join with the crowd and even easier to spread anger and hate, but it takes courage to stand alone, and kindness often takes the most courage of all. Molly could not move the mighty tree all by herself, but she could move a branch, creak, and that was all she needed. Come on, gang, I've got an idea. They're getting away. Let them go. What could one tiny tadpole and one tiny kitten and one tiny poodle possibly do? Dude, seriously? Hey, what's up, Peter? Sup? We need your help, brah. Okay. We need to create an antidote to a super brain dot. No prob. I'll download the components, then calculate a recipe for our concoction using everyday ingredients. Sweet. Come on, gang. Let's go find some everyday ingredients. And soon. Okay, what's next? Now add 2 teaspoons of ketchup and a dash of paprika. Shaker, shaker, shaker. Lastly, pour the mixture into my
subcritical
fission reactor. 1 nuclear transmutation later. Ding! And so, we're all ready. Does everybody understand the plan? Yep, bark, bark. Okay, good luck. Let's go. Chapter 13, The Final Betrayal. Soon. Hi, Papa. Where have you been? Those tadpoles are almost done destroying your friend. We're making an antidote. Inside, it's in this balloon. All we have to do is pop it, and those tadpoles will lose their superpowers. You better go hide in that swamp now, Molly, and stay under the water so you won't breathe the antidote. That way you won't lose your superpowers. Okay, see you later. Aha! Hey! You guys are in big trouble now. Oh, fairy! What do you want now? Those 2 kids were trying to trick you. They put antidote gas in this balloon. If your tadpoles breathe it, they'll lose all of their superpowers. Antidote gas, eh? Yeah, and the only place that's safe is that swamp over there. Is that so? Yep. That gives me a splendid idea. Okay, tadpoles, listen up. I want you all to hide in that swamp over there. Stay underwater and don't breathe the air for a few minutes. Okay, Mommy. See you later. Bye, Mom. Now I'm going to deal with you, girl. You can follow orders, could you? You just have to do your own thing. Oh, you're in big trouble now, little girl. What are you grinning about? Meanwhile, plip, 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 plip. Pop. Blah, blah, blah. Meanwhile, you better wipe that smile off your face, young lady, because things are about to get serious. He's gonna pop that balloon and clunk. What happened? Look! Crack. Oh, a creak. Crunch. A crack. That's not fair! That antidote ruined everything. Hey, wait a minute. There's no antidote in this balloon, is there? Nope. You lied to me. You betrayed me. I guess I did. Grandpa! Zuzu's the real hero today. She poured the antidote into the swamp and saved the world. Hooray for Zuzu! Whisper, whisper, whisper. Let's get out of here while we've got a chance. I'm with you, but soon. And then, heave-hoo, 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 heave-hoo. I can't walk much farther. It's okay. I think we got away. Really? Click, click, click. Yeah, there's all still back there. They're congratulating themselves. Wow, we're so lucky. Crack, I know we got away with no commute and whatsoever. We're the luckiest villains ever. Yes! Hey, look, Commander Cupcake did it again. He captured the Fair Fairy and Grandpa. You two villains are going to jail. Not so fast. This isn't Grandpa, this is my Papa. But he looks just like Grandpa. Show him ADHD. Rap. Rap. No, wait. Gentle rinse. Delicate cleans. Relaxing blow dry. Twang. Bonk. See? Okay, I'm convinced. Works for me. Let's go, Grandpa. It's not fair! Chapter 14. Do good, Flippy. Hey, what happened? Did we miss anything? No, not really. The bad guys went to jail, and Commander Cupcake saved the day again. He did not! Hooray for Commander Cupcake! All right, let's go, kid. Hey, Papa, Flippy and Molly don't have anywhere to live. Can they stay with us for a while? Please, 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 super duper, please. Well, okay, but only for a yay! Bye-bye, everybody. Let's all play again tomorrow, okay? Come on, Flippy. Let's go. Thanks, guys, but I can't. Why not? I think I'm needed some. Where, Flippy? Well, there are 21 baby tadpoles in that swamp back there. And I bet they're feeling pretty lonely and afraid all by themselves. I remember how that felt. So I was thinking maybe they could use a friend. You were so good to me when I was in fish jail, little Petey. You made comics for me every day. You inspired me. You kept me going. Now it's my turn to do good. Hey, I wanna do good too. Well, you can help me if you want. Okay. And you can visit us at the swamp anytime. Yeah, you still have to teach me how to make comics. I will. Maybe you can teach all 22 of us. Okay. Well, let's go, kiddo. Bye, little Petey. Bye, old guy. And so, see, Papa? I told you Flippy was a good guy. Yeah, I guess so. He's changing the world. Well, I don't know about that. I mean, come on. All he's really doing is looking after a few baby tadpoles. That's not really gonna change the world. Maybe not, but it'll change their world. Maybe you're right, kid. I am? I was right about something? I said maybe. I was right about something. Sweet. The end.